how are you? And here I'm fine. And I was reading a novel of my favorite writer, Humayun Ahmed, and I like him. I like him. I mean, I like his writing. I like the story written by him because it's. I think that it's his writing skill, his writing art is different from other writer, and it is my opinion. Maybe you people can your choice would be different from me, and we different people the choice of different people is different. It's we all know that, and our all of our choices are not same, and it's the normal thing. And if you ask me that what is your favorite novel, what is your favorite writer, I will take the name at first, that Humayun Ahmed sir, and he is my favorite writer. Do you know that the famous character in his books are Mishir Ali and Himu, and and if I would take the name, if I would talk about the heroine, I mean the famous female character, it will be Rupa. We all know that Rupa is the heroine of Himu, and we all like the couple of Himu or Rupa, and so many couple likes to act like Himu, Rupa. So if any girl wants to be Rupa, she wear blue shari, and Himu, if any male or any boy wants to be Himu, or he likes the character of Himu, he wear blue Punjabi, and it's I think that it's not easy to being Himu or Himu, because Himu is a very difficult character, and he walks on the path without any shoe or sandal. It's impossible for any it's impossible it's impossible for any normal person, and but I think that Rupa is so much beautiful. I mean, Rupa means the imagine character of Humayun Ahmed sir. So that is Rupa is very beautiful girl, and I think I can't imagine any real girl, any girl in reality like Rupa, because Rupa is not only beautiful girl, but also she is very intelligent, very talented girl. Yes, I will talk that we all the time judge the girl with their beauty, but most of the writer, most of the storybook, in a lot of romantic books, a lot of romantic novel, we read that beautiful heroine means she is beautiful. She have to beautiful in only in their face or external beauty, but external beauty is not important for a heroine. It's proved by writing of Humayun Ahmed. Humayun Ahmed all the time focused on the intelligence of heroine of his writing. And yes, intelligence is most important, and wise. I like the character of Humayun Ahmed, character of the books of written by Humayun Ahmed, because there most of the heroines are intelligent, and I like that because I want to be an intelligent, and I also want to be an wise girl, because my smartness, the definition of smartness for me, this is intelligence and skills, basic skills, and general knowledge. Yes, general knowledge is also important for not only general knowledge, sorry, no, general knowledge is not only important for male, for both of male and female. We have general knowledge is much important. And yes, my favorite character is yes, I like Himu character, and he is young, and he is an honest, and Himu wants to be a person, wants to be an unique person, because his father wanted like that. So Himu wants to fulfill the dream of his father, and his father is no more, because his father had died, but still he wants to fulfill the dream of his father, and he loves his father a lot. And if I would like to take the name of Missy Ali, yes, I like the character Missy Ali so much, better than Himu, because Missy Ali is logic all the time. Missy Ali wants to prove any story or anything with logic, and I like the game of logic which he all the time create, and logical people is very smart, and his logic with ghost and mysterious. I like mysterious. I like the books around mysterious. That's why I like to read the books of Missy Ali series. I read all the books of Missy Ali. I read all the books of Humayun Ahmed, of Missy Ali, and not only Missy Ali, I read all the books of series of Himu Somogro, yes, but I didn't read a few books of Humayun Ahmed, and maybe the name I didn't read, Nondita Noroke, or 2 or 3 books I didn't read, but other book I read other books of written by Humayun Ahmed. So and I like the scientific বৈজ্ঞানিক কল্পকাহিনী. Okay, I couldn't remember the name. This yes, it is বৈজ্ঞানিক কল্পকাহিনী, and in this series বৈজ্ঞানিক কল্পকাহিনী, I read the story of I read the book name Ima, and yes, Ima is also my name, and it was also beautiful. I like to read the books of Jafar Iqbal, and but nowadays I am reading Kishore Classic books. Kishore Classic books is all the time the story of Kishore Classic books all the time gives us inspiration, and yes, inspiration thing that inspirational things are important, that we can get confident, we can make ourselves hopeful, and that's why I like to read Kishore Classic books. So, and I also read English newspaper every day. So thank you so much. No more today. I will go for my dinner. Allah Hafiz. And now I am finishing my video. Take care.